Hey everyone, Kaylee here from the military veteran team at LPT Realty. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a game changer in lead management, Ylopo tags. If you're looking to boost efficiency and keep track of every lead's journey, this tool is for you. Ylopo tags go beyond simple labels. They give you real insight into each lead's behavior and needs. For example, tags like Ylopo Facebook or Ylopo Google tell you exactly where a lead originated, helping you tailor follow-ups to connect meaningfully. Think of each tag as a piece of the lead's story. Some tags indicate high-interest actions. Hand raiser tags mean the lead has actively requested information, so they're ready for immediate follow-up. A Y priority tag flags those engaging frequently, like viewing or saving properties. These are the leads to act on quickly. Then, there are nurture-focused tags, like AI needs follow-up, signaling Ylopo's AI, Raya, has started a conversation. These tags remind you to step in, keeping engagement strong. You'll also find tags like Ylopo homeowner to identify leads who might be potential sellers, a great help for future listings. Ylopo even tracks specific actions like open house for leads registering for events, or IDX alert for those receiving automated property updates. These tags allow you to customize your approach based on each lead's specific activity, making follow-ups even more relevant. Now let's go over how to add Ylopo tags in Follow-Up Boss so you can manage leads without switching platforms. To start, open the lead profile in Follow-Up Boss. On the left under Tags, click to search for existing Ylopo tags or create new ones. Just type in tags like Y priority or hand raiser to keep high priority leads front and center. Here's a tip. Use automations incorporating Ylopo tags to automatically start action plans. If you come across someone with a bad number or wrong number, use an automation to easily follow up with the lead via email and trigger Ylopo's bad number tool. When the tag bad phone or bad number is added to a contact's profile, it starts the wrong number action plan for that contact. For Ylopo, when the bad number or bad phone tag is applied, it makes it so that the next time the lead goes to your home search site, they will not be able to look at listings until they enter a phone number. Ylopo offers a wide variety of tags to suit any lead situation. Check out this list of available Ylopo tags to see which best fit your process. Pick the ones that make the most sense for you and watch your lead management take off. Using Ylopo tags effectively lets you understand and act on each lead's journey, improving your connection and follow-up timing. Start tagging strategically and see the impact on your engagement. Thanks for watching, and as always, reach out with any questions.